Welcome to handling data. So handling data is all about interpreting different types of graphs and also statistics as well. So line graphs have points plotted that are joined with a line. So we can see here, this is what we call a line graph. Read up from the horizontal axis to meet the line or the points. Read across to the vertical axis to give the value. So here we've got the vertical axis. So the vertical axis means it's going from top to bottom. And the horizontal axis is left to right. So in the horizontal axis, in this line graph, we can see that we've got the various months. And in the vertical axis, we've got the temperatures in degrees centigrade. And we're looking at temperature in Paris here. So it's quite simple. If we need to work out what the temperature was, let's say, for example, in August, and let me show you how we can actually try and do that. So August is here. Okay, that's what A stands for. Now, if we draw a line, a rough line, going all the way down here from August, and we hit the line bar, and then we kind of go all the way across. This is like a rough estimate that you can see. We can see that the temperature roughly is between 25 and 30 degrees centigrade in Paris in August. If we look at January, which is our first month, we do the same thing. Bring the line up, hit the line, and go across. So roughly speaking, it's between 5 and 10 degrees, so probably around about 8 degrees centigrade or 9 degrees centigrade. And that's how you can actually plot the graphs themselves, is to make a line. So you can use the bars on your graphs on the screens to help you in this case, or if it's on paper, you can just use a ruler to help you as well. But you can use a ruler on the screen without making a line, obviously, because you don't want to write on your screen, to kind of give you a rough idea of where these plots actually go. Let's do one last example. Let's go for November. So in November, we're going just up here. And again, we hit the line, roughly speaking. So let's just put that there. Make another line across. Just leave that line there. And we're going to make another line across here that will join up to that line there. So we now know that in November, the temperature in Paris is roughly around about 13 degrees centigrade. Okay, so good luck with the rest of these questions, and try your best to plot the questions individually as they come along. Thank you.